guys, this is step by step how to make STARFRUIT juice. First, prepare the tools and materials that have been determined. 2. Prepare a cutting board, knife, and also a container for the STARFRUIT that has been cut. Take the 2 STARFRUIT that have been prepared, then wash the STARFRUIT until they are clean. Fourth, then peel the edge and cut into medium size. Five, don't forget to put the STARFRUIT that has been cut in the container that has been prepared.
Six, take the blender that has been prepared, then put the blender bowl on top of the blender machine. 7. Enter the STARFRUIT, 200 ml of sugar that has been melted, and also water sequentially into the blender bowl.
Don't forget to plug in the blender, then press the button for the fruit blender.
After it has been mixed evenly, then strain the juice until there is no dregs left.
Ini udah gini aja kali ya? Udah. Haus gak sih? Udah yuk. Ayo. Ini berisik-berisik kali apa ya? Iya, kayak suara blender gak sih? Iya. Ayo.
Itu kalian kok blender lagi bikin apa?
Ini
kasih. Oh iya, laporan kali ini udah selesai. Udah sih, lagi. Sama ini ya. Oke deh, nanti kita kasih ya. Oke, kita lanjutin laporan ya. Semangat. Semangat juga semuanya.
10 put enough topping into a 250 ml bottle. 10 put the juice into the bottle. Last, close the bottle